Hey guys, we are going to continue the laws of exponents and we're going to use the easy ones that we used yesterday. But today I'm going to do all examples of problems that do not have the same base. So let's continue with A.11B and exponent examples. Okay, I'm going to try to hit every different way that they could come, that they could appear. So let's see. Let's try the first one. So we know if we have x to the second power times x to the fourth power, we would add them, and that would give us x to the 2 plus 4 power, which that would be x is 6, x to the 6th power. I'm going to start off easy. Number 2, let's say you have 2 to the 3rd power times 2 to the 4th power, and that would give us 2 to the 3 plus 4 power, which would be 2 to the 7th power, which would be, in your calculator, because they're going to start wanting to get the total. You're going to turn it on. No, this one doesn't work. Here's one. On, and you're going to hit 2, the little hat button right here. 7, enter. And we get 128. Excuse me. Number 3. If you have 5m to the 3rd power, you need to distribute the 3. So this is going to become 5 to the 3rd power, because we're going to put it there, we're going to put it here, times m to the 3rd power. And that is going to equal 5 to the 3rd power is 5 to the 3rd power will become 125, and we can't do anything with the m. So 125 m to the 3rd power. Number 4. If you have r to the 15th power over r to the 8th power, we know to subtract. So that will become r to the 7th power. Number 5. If you have q to the 2nd power divided by q to the 5th power, that will become q to the negative 3rd power, which would become 1 over q to the 3rd power. Just moving the stuff around based on the rules. Number 6, if you have 2a to the 3rd times 7a to the 4th, you're going to multiply the coefficients like you normally would, which would give you 14. And then we're going to have a to the 3 plus 4 power, which would be 14a to the 7th power. Number 7. If you have 2 to the m power n to the 3rd power and 4m squared n to the 3rd power, this will become, first we need to distribute the 3. So it's kind of like we're doing PEMDAS. So this would become 2 to the 3rd power, m to the 6th power, and n to the 3rd power. So now we remove the parentheses, times, and this is the same because there's not an exponent out here, 4m to the 2nd power, n to the 3rd power. Now we can get rid of the 3 here because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 8, we'll bring this down, m to the 6th, n to the 3rd, times 4, m to the squared, n to the 3rd. And then this is going to become, so we want to multiply 32, and when you do that, you add the exponents, m to the 8th, n to the 6th. Okay. Number 8. If you're dividing and you have something that looks like this, 2a squared over 3b, the whole thing is to the power of 2, you'll need to distribute this 2 everywhere. So that will become 2 squared, a to the 4th, over 3 squared, and b squared. 2 times 2 is 4, a squared, a to the 4th, sorry. And then 3 squared is 9, b to the 2nd. Number 9. If you have 2x to the 10th power over 6x to the 3rd power, and all of that multiplied by the 2nd power, that will become, you distribute the 2 to the 2nd power, x to the 20th power, over 6 to the 2nd power, and x to the 6th power, equals 4x, because 2 squared is 4, x to the 20th power, over 36x to the 6th power. And then we can even reduce this by 4s. So this could become 1 over 9. 4 goes into 4 one time, so we would have 1x to the 14th. Because we're combining our x's. When you do that, you subtract over 9. So that leaves us with x to the 14th power over 9. We're starting to get more difficult. Number 10. If you have 3x to the 2nd power times y to the 3rd power, and all that times 2, times 2x to the 3rd power times 3, now you need to distribute the 2 everywhere. So this becomes 3 squared, x to the 4th, and y to the 6th, times 2 to the 3rd power, and x to the 9th power. Now we can, 3 times 3 is 9, x to the 4th power, y to the 6th power, times 2 cubed is 8, x to the 9th power. Now we can combine the x's. So that will leave us with 9 times 8 is 72, x to the 13th power, because you add them, y to the 6th power. So that'll do it, guys, for the examples for exponent as examples when they don't have the same base. That'll do it, guys. Thank you for watching.